The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now doing Chiliz. We have to do Chiliz because people are saying like, it broke your support, man. It broke your support. No, it didn't. So we're gonna talk about Chiliz and what's actually happening with Chiliz. But before we do that, I just want to remind you, if you like altcoins, if you are into the altcoins, we do like 20-30 altcoins on the Patreon. So if that's your thing, you might go check it out. Like we do it daily, like 30 altcoins daily, like every day, like looking if it's gonna go up, down, rank them really nicely in the tiers and stuff like that. So do check that out. That said, let's get into the charts. Where is the charts? Here is the charts. So people are talking about this wick that went below this support line over here, and technically it's not. We did not close. For this to be broken, this candle, this daily candle, has to go all the way down here and close below the support line. Once that happens, then you can say, okay, man, it's game over. Now it's below it. But then you have to start looking for the next support on down, and that's the 50, and that's not that far away. So that said, we are still in the triangle, and even though people want to argue like, is this the real triangle? Did it break down? Let's see that. So we're gonna see on the weekly chart over here, and we're gonna see that. Look how nicely these lines are. You can use this one. You can use this one over here. Let's use. Sorry, that's not. We have to use the magnet. You can use this one, this one, this one. Like however you put it, like it is a really nice support line. You can see it on the daily. Maybe it's something even like that, but this looks to me like a lot better support, like better support. So I want to keep that one, and the resistance is actually also very nice on the up here. We drew it something like this, but you can also draw it something like this, and then you hit this target up here and all of the targets, but it's the same line. It's the same line. You can see here it's the same line. It hits this 10 moving average on the week daily. Where is it? On the daily it hits this 10 moving average, 20 moving average down line. So this is the correct triangle. The way I see this is the correct sorry, not triangle, this is a wedge. This is a correct wedge, and we are looking for the breakout. Now there was this RSI divergence that were happening, that's not happening anymore, and I said that that could happen, that we are can maybe destroy the divergence. So basically it's still happening, technically it's still happening, but it's not as prominent as before. So before we had this drop over here, right? And I said this is RSI divergence, but this has to continue going up. This price has to continue going up here. If it doesn't, then there is a chance, if you continue going down, that the price is gonna push all the way down, and then the RSI will, of course, as you can see here, go down. Once you have the price going down, RSI going down, there is no divergence, there is no bottoming pattern. For thing that we're looking for now is a bottoming pattern. We're looking something that we can say, there you go, we hit the bottom and we can go up, but that this over here wasn't it. So is this over here a bottoming pattern? What's this? So thing is, we want to see, and it looks like it's still diverging. You can see here it's not by a lot, but that doesn't matter. The thing is that the RSI is still going up, the RSI is still going up, and the price is still going down. So if this holds exactly on the line that I said that we have to hold, this even on the 4-hourly, we have held it even on the 4-hourly, then this bottom over here might actually be very nice. As you can see here, the daily support line is actually quite extended from these wicks over here on the 4-hourly chart, so we might actually draw something like this over here. But you can see again that we are hitting the same resistance, sorry, same support as the previous line on the daily, and basically if it falls below here, then you are below both on the 4-hourly and on the both on the 4-hourly and on the daily chart. So you can also draw something like this, and where is it? Something like this, and you can see here that new wick is actually hitting here. So maybe that's actually 4-hourly triangle, because this is technical analysis, and there is you know, different exchanges will have different wicks and stuff like that. So what you want to do ultimately is just look at the weekly chart. You want to look at the weekly chart, and you want to use weekly chart to draw these support lines, because those are the most accurate but once you get into it on the 4 hour and stuff like that, it doesn't get that accurate. So but I said I like the other one. I like this one on the daily, because daily is also more accurate than the 4 hourly. So we are hitting some kind of support down here on the 4 hourly chart, and we are still have the RSI divergence that we should be having. So if this holds, but I'm always telling this has to hold, we have to get a few green candles and get above certain levels to confirm this bottom, because here we did not confirm the bottom and it just continue going down. So the same thing can happen here. It doesn't confirm it, it just continue going down below the support line, and that would be very bad. Of course that would be very bad. But right now there is this isn't bad yet. When we can wick all the way down here, but if we go all the way back into the here, there's no problem. I'm going to show you something now on another chart on the graph. What happened? This is the graph. Look at the graph. Let's just put up these and turn off these. So look at the graph. Look at this wick over here. Look at this. It went all the way down. Price went all the way down to 0.8. Okay, wicks don't matter that much. Okay, the closes matter. You can see here we went all the way down, but we went back below, above the 50 moving average on the 4 hourly. Of course we continue going down, but that doesn't matter. But the thing is, this wick over here doesn't I'm not gonna start drawing using this wick for some technical analysis or something like that. They're just not happy. This is somebody who had fat fingers and pushed the market sell or something like that, and sold a lot of coins when there's a little liquidity. Okay, so that's not a problem. So let's get back to the Chiliz and see what's happening there. Right now we have a really nice wedge. We are still not bearish, but we are in a downtrend. We are definitely in a downtrend, but we are not bearish because we are in this wedge, and wedge is bullish by nature. Falling wedges are bullish by nature, so we are waiting for the bottoming pattern so we can get out. This might actually be it, so we want to get out of this. If this is gonna happen today or not depends to see. This is only first 4 hourly green candle after we hit this support down here. So I want to see several more green candles up here and see if this actually holds. You can call it bearish when it gets below over here, but where should let's see where should support maybe be if we start falling down. If you start falling even further down, then you have this 0.29 line. That's the 10 moving average. On the daily that should be 50 moving average up here, 50 moving average up here, or even this daily top over here. So you got anything between 0.33 to 0.29. Those are the, let's see if there is anything on monthly. No, there is not. So those are the targets I will be looking for right now. If those are the targets I will be looking now, if this starts breaking this wedge and starts going down, these are the targets I will be looking for as support: 26, 29, and 33. But like I said, I've held faith in Chiliz for a long time, and I just explained a bit in my BitTorrent video that the bull market is not finished. We are when something pumps a lot, like this over here. How much this pump? This pumped 5,000%. Corrections are normal, consolidations are normal. People want to take profits. People do traders and swing traders do margin longs and stuff like that, and at certain points they have to take profits to reinvest their capital and stuff like that. That's normal movement, however you look at it. So there's nothing wrong with Chiliz going down a bit. Okay, so guys, don't panic. We are just looking for a bottom. We are not looking for 90% down correction yet. Because we don't think Bitcoin is reached the top, and as long as Bitcoin hasn't reached the top, we're okay. That said, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Chiliz updates, and like the video if you know, just to help the channel out, man. Just to help the channel out. Check out the Patreon if you want to see the altcoins daily video. Bye bye.